Welcome to Energate, the future of energy efficiency financing in buildings. Energate is a European project funded under the LIFE programme, coordinated by the National Technical University of Athens. The Energate Consortium consists of 12 partners from 8 European countries who bring unique expertise across the energy efficiency value chain and converge for a singular vision. This Energate Energy Efficiency Marketplace is a unique platform where energy services and sustainable finance converge. Its mission: to accelerate project pipelines and funding through standardization. Did you know? Buildings are the largest energy consumers in Europe. This isn't just about numbers, it's about our future. The European Union recognizes this, placing energy efficiency at the heart of its energy union. 85% of EU buildings were built before 2000, and amongst those, 75% have a poor energy performance. Acting on the energy efficiency of buildings is therefore key to saving energy and achieving a zero-emission and fully decarbonized building stock by 2050. The Efficiency First principle is more than a guideline. It's a call to action. But the path isn't easy. Standardization is lacking, financial challenges are daunting, risks are high, and the market is fragmented. These hurdles make energy efficiency projects less attractive to investors. The result: a significant gap in private investment and action. Energate is where energy services meet sustainable finance. We're standardizing, simplifying, and connecting. The platform accelerates project pipelines and funding, making investments in energy efficiency more attractive and feasible. But how? Energate integrates various stages of the building energy efficiency project cycle into one robust, ICT-enabled solution that provides a large and standardized project development facility for sponsors and owners to enter their data with transparency, bundles projects to facilitate scaled investment, performs matchmaking between project owners, implementers, and investors, performs quality assessments and rankings, ensures feedback loops to measure impact. There, building owners can create profiles for their buildings, search financing according to their preferences, find renovation partners, and study similar buildings and success stories. Implementers can find detailed information about buildings in need of renovation, prepare informed offers, and find financing for their own projects. Financiers can search for bundle investment opportunities ranked by custom financial and non-financial criteria, thus making informed decisions based on reliable and comprehensible data. And last but not least, public bodies can inform platform users about upcoming renovation projects, allow early market engagement, aggregate projects, and explore available EU funding mechanisms. So how do we know that it works? Energate financeable packages are being studied via 5 different pilot partners across 6 different EU countries: Greece, Italy, Latvia, Austria, France, and Spain. The diversity of these pilots ensures a comprehensive approach, validating the platform effectiveness and enhancing the results of the project. Energate is not just a project, it's a beacon for a sustainable future. Dive deeper, join the movement, and be part of the change.